This video tutorial I will explain what is JSON. JSON, which stands for JavaScript Object Notation, and JSON is a simple and widely used way to structure and share the data between different computer systems such as web applications or databases. Imagine you are packing a box to send to your friend, and you want to make sure your friend knows what is inside the box and how everything is organized. JSON is like a special language for describing what is in the box. In JSON language, there are two main things. The first one is keys, second one is values. We can think of keys as labels and values as actual things which you are packing. And here you can see the example of JSON which describes the person details. Name is John, age is 30, city is New York. In this name, age and city are keys. John 30 and New York are values. JSON is easy for both computers and people to understand. And JSON is used all over the internet to send the information and receive the information. And JSON is used to share the data between a website and a server. And JSON is also used to store settings for an app, and also it is used to exchanging information between different programs. And JSON helps keep things organized and make sure everyone understands what is inside the box of data. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click on like button and please subscribe to my channel. You can get Java source code and PowerPoint presentation for each and every video. That you can see it in the description section of the video. Click on show more, and here you can see the description, and here you can see the links to download source code and PowerPoint presentation.